For our first wedding anniversary, I wanted to get something really special for Jeff. So I asked our really, really good friends who are musicians if they could write a song for Jeff so that I could give it to him as his gift. And they wrote this amazing, beautiful song. I love it so much, and it's just a great song. I love it. I mean, how many people can say they had a song written for them?
It's a really nice noise.
Never thought it happened to me, that I'd be swept off my feet. But here we're lying naked in the backseat of the car.
Check me, you got me bouncing like a pinball. Lights flashing through the glass, covers playing videos where photos was at.
I remember what you said to me that night. It takes two, it takes two. If I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. I heard you crying in the middle of the night. I lift my mask and I kiss my man, and it's got me thinking. Never thought it happened to me. I'd hear those wedding bells a-ringing, but here we are holding hands at City Hall.
We wearing rainbow ties, eat a Whopper with a curly fry. Wouldn't wanna spend my life with any other guy.
I remember what you said to me that night. It takes two, it takes two. If I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. I heard you laughing in the middle of the night. I lift my mask and I have to ask, do you really love me? Do you really care? Will you still love me when I'm rolling in a wheelchair? It's got me thinking.
That's a little inside joke. When we did this audition for a reality show about bed and breakfasts.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mr. Smith. And this is B&Bs with Mr. and Mr. Smith.
It was Jeff's first time
On camera.
On
So I was
camera.
really trying to fill up the sound. I had to say something. I didn't know I had no idea what I was saying.
This is a great room. I like this room because it's so big.
Good size.
And so much light coming from these two big windows.
And these two windows look out on the garden. Probably the best view in the house. Nice closet.
So we came across this aviary. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Aviary.
You see them?
I bet that bird teases the cat all the time. Sure makes a nice noise out here, though.
It does.
Did you want to be on that show, Jeff?
Well, kind of, but not really.
Well, I enjoyed that.
It was nice.
It was very nice.
You know what?
What?
I think the one in Palm Springs
Uh-huh.
is a little more modern. You'll like that, I think.
Go!